My name is Ruth Harper. I live in Brookings. I've lived here almost 30 years now. I'm a retired professor of counseling at SDSU, and we're staying put in Brookings. We like it a lot, and we have a child and 2 grandchildren here, so we're very happy here. I'm one of the lucky people who has macular degeneration, which is no fun, but there is a treatment for it now, and I do have to go to Sioux Falls for that. So I'm grateful that there's treatment that's keeping me in sight. My ophthalmologist in Sioux Falls said, might be time to take care of those cataracts. Please do it before the end of the year. And I said, do you do this? And he said, oh, you don't want me to do this? I'm a retina guy, you need a lens guy. I said, so is there a lens person in Brookings? He said, absolutely. And he recommended Dr. Knudsen. I could tell things were getting darker, and I was pretty concerned, so I guess I was a little relieved to find out that it was cataracts and that's something else that can be treated effectively. Who isn't nervous about surgery? I mean, they tell you that cataract surgery is minor and straightforward, and it is, but you go to the hospital, you get an IV, in comes an anesthesiologist, and you think, well, this is serious. I think I can describe it in 2 words. My impression was that he was kind and that he was competent. And it's a great combination. Everyone in the clinic was very nice, learned my name right away, checked me in without me saying a word after the first appointment. So everyone was great. Everyone was there to do their job well. I felt safe, I felt cared for, and it went very smoothly. Recovery is quick and fairly painless, a little irritation. But the thing that was great is that I could see better. And I didn't really expect that. I think I had maybe low expectations because of the macular degeneration and having cataracts removed, and they did them a week apart, so I had one eye done first, and I could see the slats on the blinds when I woke up. I mean, it was really great. Big improvement. Well, some people who got glasses when they're a child will know this. When you get glasses when you're 10 years old, like I did, and you walk outside and you can see the leaves on the trees, and you're like, oh, everyone else can see that, and now I can see that. My vision had been deteriorating, and after I had both eyes done and got my new glasses, I can just see all kinds of detail that I couldn't see before. I'm much more confident with my vision. No one had told me I couldn't drive, but I'm like, well, I'm driving less, I'm not driving at night, my world was getting a little smaller. Driving is a big thing, right? I can drive with a lot more confidence. What a lot of people might not know is there are a lot of appointments involved in cataract surgery. There's the before, the during, the after on 2 eyes. So it's a lot of appointments, and it was extremely convenient to do all those appointments in Brookings. It didn't take my whole day, it didn't even take my whole morning. Well, I think in Brookings we are just fortunate to have such high quality health care. When we moved to Brookings, South Dakota, we had friends and family say, oh, well, isn't that nice? You're moving to this little town in South Dakota. Sure hope you never need health care. And what we found, to our surprise and our pleasure, is that we have excellent health care in Brookings. I have a primary physician I adore. I think she's terrific, and she takes care of 3 generations of my family. And to find that I could get this surgery done here, I was very pleased. I appreciated that everything was done well and I had such a positive outcome. The fact that everyone was so kind and caring, that's a big plus. I don't know of a reason to wait. I don't know that everyone will have the outcome I had, which was phenomenal, but it is a minor procedure, and if it goes well, your vision will be better. I like to read, I write, I do needlework, and I have 2 little grandsons whose faces I love to see, and now I can see them really well.
Are you one of Brookings Health System's grateful patients who would like to give back to us? Learn more about how you can give back at brookingshealth.org/mythanks.